Welcome back everybody. We are set out for another group ride. This time we're on Alamo, Nevada, about 90 minutes away from Las Vegas. Early May 2021, and it's about 13 of us. Started out, 5 minutes later we came to the bottom of this really long, I would estimate maybe a mile long hill climb. They said let's go trail riding, and I really quickly realized there ain't no trail. It is just gonna be overland, and just try the best you can do to make it up the hill. Don't fall off the cliff, don't hit any huge rocks, and also I was really happy once I made it up there. I didn't fall into any cactus or yucca tree this time. Those things can hurt real bad. The ground, as I said, there was no trail, but overall I was amazed how much grip I had. You just need to pick your way through and hopefully don't get stuck. This guy right there, he's 13 years old and he's amazing. He passed me a couple times, which is kind of depressing for me, but also heads down for him. He's amazing and he doesn't stop. Also, on this ride he's the only one that doesn't have an e-start. He's the only one that has to kick his bike all the time it turns off. Didn't care at all. That kid destroyed it. He had a great time, everybody else had a great time. Now here, we're just gonna slowly pick our way through, up the hill. I was thinking of maybe go left and right, zigzagging my way up, but I don't know, maybe a second later I forgot about it and I just kept going straight up. There was enough grip, but unfortunately once you hit a little bit of a big rock, your wheel was about to just, your front end just come up and you flip. So nice and easy, slow and steady, cut our way through, find the best route, look ahead and make it up the hill. Once we got up the hill, we went down the hill, which was almost a little bit of a single track there, and then we got into some really nice rocks. I need a quick break here, holy.
Extreme! Parkour!
This is Parkour, internet sensation in 2004, and it was in one of the Bond films. It's pretty impressive. The goal is to get from point A to point B as creatively as possible. So technically they are doing parkour as long as point A is delusion and point B is the hospital.
Come on. Oh shit, I almost missing a board here. Oh crap. This is more hiking than anything, but it's fun. I like it a lot. At the same time.
This program was made possible by the corporation and from viewers like you. Thank you.